Be sure to check piston groove depth before installing rings on piston.
All instructions available.
Oh yeah, you talking about these right here?
Yeah, that's why. Why do you think I'm cleaning them all?
Right.
Because what they're trying to tell you is literally, and that's how it used to be back in the day. If anything, like you gotta think about it, if anything is obstructing it, seating the ring will not fully seat. So they're telling you, hey, make sure you check that. That's why you see me cleaning one by one.
Right, man. Oh, this is your compression tube?
What?
This is.
Yeah. It's a special, specific one for this.
Oh.
And if you pay attention, it's tapered.
See it? Oh, so it's not like a universal.
It's a dead on.
Damn sure is. You just set it on there and push.
Perfect fit, yeah.
Oh, let me get the rod.
Ready?
No. Are you good? Ooh, that was fun to see. Which one did you get? Yeah, I can't see. They get cool. The buff cap. Alright, hang the thing. Bang.
What's that, broken side?
Yep.
Like 36.
How you do that too? That's the one that sings.
I ain't got one of the fancy ones.
Man, you can get one though. Let's go to Snap-on truck.
I ain't got, $10,000 for one.
We don't build engines or nothing. Well, you use it for more than engines. Yeah.
You ain't never heard a real Russian help before.
Never not a real Russian. I don't know
He's
what the
not
fuck-
Russian at all.
It's not exactly the same.
Oh, what the hell he is?
There's a difference for sure.
No. Look, I can talk Bill English,
Right.
but it's not the same.
You not a yes, movement, Vladimir.
I'm pretty close because
That's pretty cool.
we did training together.
What do you like, help, man?
No, literally. We did training together, yeah. Their army and our army, we did the training together. 37 and a half.
Right on the money.
Shit, the internet says that's good.
Spin.
Look at the greatness over here. One piston at a time, guys. That's why we don't need that.
And not only when they pulled them out, they just go ahead and they bust them all to hell. They busted them thing out of hell when they
It's
ripped
called
that out
destroy them. Yeah, they destroyed them out.
there. Yeah, well.
Never do it with your fingers. Never do it with your fingers. It's just amazing. You have arrows on your phone.
But the thing they got,
Oh, the front, you flipped the front engine around. Oh, shit.
Yeah,
I was over there.
fucked up too.
I was over there, I didn't want to think that. Never do it with your fingers. It's just amazing. You have arrows on your phone.
but the thing that got me, if
Oh. Dude. Oh.
Hey, my Russian buddy is awesome. Hasta la vista, baby. Oh, well, guys, so far so good. Got one head on. All the pistons are installed. And now one head is on, so we go from here. It's a little process, okay, but head gasket's in place. Yeah. You have it all put together in no time, and then we can install it in the car. So far, so good, guys. Stay tuned. Try to keep y'all up to date. If I blink 1 second, I'm gonna miss everything because this guy is so freaking fast. So I'm sure the water pump go right here in the tube and all that, but yeah, pistons are in, guys. I got y'all a little footage of that. So it's now head time, and then installation time. We'll go from there. Stay tuned.
Water pump.
Oil pump.
Oil pump. I knew it was a tube going there.
Oil pump, rear main seal housing.
Rear main seal housing.
Pickup tube.
Pickup tube. Then
Rest of the motor.
Rest of the engine.
the rest of the.
Rest of the engine, yeah.
It's just torquing it in.
Hey man, inquiring minds want to know what this come out of. I couldn't tell them because I didn't know.
That's a Honda Odyssey J35.
I heard that. I couldn't tell you, so I had to ask the owner himself. So you heard it from the horse's mouth. All right, guys, he got it covered up. He's gone. Guys, you know what? Y'all know how nosy I am, right? So if all the parts are off the table, that means a lot of the parts are on the engine. And y'all know what? The suspense is killing me. We're going to take a peek, guys. Don't y'all tell my Russian buddy that JT been taking a peek at his engine. So periodically throughout the day, I've been sneaking over here, getting some footage. This is how far he has gotten, guys. Remember some of the footage I showed y'all where he's pushing the pistons in. He found the ring compressor. Yes, thanks to my buddies that fill me in on the proper name for that ring compressor, where you compress the rings on the piston and then you're able to push it inside the cylinders. Sometimes I get a brain freeze, guys. I apologize. Now, he's gotten so far as to no camshaft installation yet. The valve train, the rest of the valve train, he haven't done that yet. But oh, he did one head. Okay, my man, moving right along. Water pump go here. The rest of the yes, look, all new seals. Neat, guys, neat. This is a rebuild, something I haven't done in decades. All right. He was over here talking everything to specs. This guy's really being very extra careful. This is personal. And somebody keep asking me what kind of car this come out of. I was able to get him to speak on that because I don't know. I asked him on the video. And I think I'm going to play it in the beginning of this video. Okay, because I don't know the terminology. I don't know what it come out of. But what do you have left? The other side valve train, water pump, I guess, and putting it all together. Remember, he got the transmission out too. Remember, he brought them both out. Y'all remember that video I showed? I'm gonna try to find that and card that right here. But my dude is on it. Okay, yeah. Put the remaining. Let me see if y'all can take a peek down under here. All torque the specs. Everything's torqued well. Y'all saw his nice. Oh, that is an impressive looking torque wrench. Oh my goodness, it don't click or nothing. Who was that? Evelyn Rodriguez says she like the click ones too. I'm with you, Evelyn. I'm old school. I need that click, click, click. Everything is so digital and computerized nowadays. I need the clickish. I need the click stuff. But my man got this together, guys. I don't know, Monday maybe. Did they say it right now? So let me put this back. So he won't suspect. JT nosy ass been over here looking at his engine, you know. And in some cases, if something don't go right or something go wrong, they can swear, well, whoever was over there looking at it did something. No, man. The guy was over here being nosy. That's all. He didn't really, you know what I'm saying? He didn't really move anything. That's why I want to put it just like I got it, just like I found it. All right. Now, we all pretty cool around here. This is my buddy, man. So, I think the car's outside, guys. It is outside. Yeah, we pushed it outside, but that's all that's left. All right, guys. So, next time y'all see me, we're going to be installing it, I hope. I don't know what a transmission at. I think he building that somewhere else. Yeah, we don't know this stuff by heart, man. Nobody do. So, you got to get the torque sequence, head sequence. I always basically start in the center. I mean, you gotta think about it this way. Sometimes physics should kick in when you're having a hard time figuring something out. if you know the specs and it's a typical cylinder head, anything that's the ending results, you're trying to flatline it to something else, you typically start center mask and work your way out. It makes no sense to start outside and work your way in. What if there's a bubble in the center? Okay, or what if there's an air pocket or anything like that? So if you start smack dead center mask and work your way out, yeah, you can. That's the best way to mate something to something else in hopes of it being flat. In other words, if I didn't have this piece of paper, I would do the exact same thing as this. I will start in the center because these are even numbers. I will have to obviously be on one of these. So go right here, right, and it's just how it says it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're working your way outwards. So you just eliminating any kind of, if anything going on in the center or bubble or air, anything. It's just best to start in the center and work your way out. That's with anything. That's just physics 101 to me, guys. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Guys, that's all I have. I'm talking too much. Thanks for watching. Come and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.